Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn what is VMware. So VMware is the application which used to virtualized server operating system, client operating system, and of course network. So what is the use of VMware in Service Desk Analyst job? So there is very simple job in VMware. Let's say user is calling you and stating that I'm not able to access one of VM, the virtual machine. So what you have to do is you have to log in into the VMware console. You will have the access on it and just reboot the virtual machine. And once you reboot the machine and you will see the virtual machine got the IP address, you need to inform user just try to access it now and the issue will resolve. So this kind of stuff you have to perform in VMware as well as in Citrix, so that we are going to learn practically. Okay, so let's see you next video. Thank you.